Hey guys, Joseph here. I'm very excited to show you this new dash cam that a bunch of you guys have been waiting for, the BlackVue DR770X Box 3-channel dash cam. Now before we begin, I'd like to give a special shout out to all the BBMC YouTube followers who watched our DR770X 2-channel review. Jeremiah and Matthew, this is for you, and we hear you. So today we're going to be answering all of these questions and showing you why the all-new DR770X Box 3-channel dashcam is the most secure car surveillance device to date. We're going to be glossing over some of the standard features, so if you're curious about those, head on over to our DR770X 2-channel review. And here we see the front camera, interior camera, and a rear camera, all separate units. Now, here's what the box itself looks like. This is obviously a very different take from BlackVue. We're so used to the front camera being a part of the built-in main processor. The design of this box kind of reminds us of the eCell Eco dashcam that we had way back in the days. Now, also included in the package is a 3-wire hardwiring kit, a 64GB microSD card, a cigarette lighter adapter, a USB card reader, and a GPS module. For easier installation, there's also a pry tool, cable clip, and Velcro strips to secure the box battery style. We also discovered some additions that you won't find in any other BlackVue dashcams. 2 keys for the head unit, plus an Allen key for the tamper-proof case on the camera. As you might have noticed, the DR770X box is focused on keeping your dashcam secure and safe from tampering. Here's a stat for you. We found out that in 2022, the National Insurance Crime Bureau reported that over 1 million vehicles were stolen, while billions of dollars are being lost due to this type of crime. And we can say that the DR770X box could be a useful hero to prevent that. So the box itself has 3 cameras, 1 each for the front, rear, and interior. And you see how small these cameras are? Now, if you're wondering how the whole system works, the cameras are linked via coaxial cables to the box, which serves as the recording unit that can be safely stored in the glove box or under the seat. Or if you'd like to see how we professionally installed it into a Mercedes-Benz AMG S63 last week, it was literally deep in the trunk. This means that the box can be easily kept out of sight, preventing a thief from accessing it while keeping all your dashcam footage safe and private. And we also love how this little front camera has a speaker and microphone built in. It's like an automatic phone call, plus you can track the exact location through the cloud capabilities of the dashcam. Beyond that, all the cables and the SD card slots are protected by their own tamper-proof locking cover. Each camera unit presents its own difficulty to break into, as all 3 of these come with their own tamper-proof case. This casing prevents the cabling from being unplugged and the camera taken off the mount. Once the head unit itself has been disconnected from the box unit, the box itself will enter an emergency mode, blaring loud and proud like a true car cam, loud enough to scare anyone off trying to break in. What I also like is the inclusion of a coin battery powered remote Bluetooth button that can be used to trigger event recordings manually. As a way to easily bookmark important files, a great workaround to keep that core feature while the main unit stays out of the way. Now let's check out the footage of this 3-channel dash cam. It's got a 2-megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor, a world leader in imaging technology. The front camera is capable of capturing the front in Full HD at 60 frames per second and Full HD at 30 frames per second for the interior and rear camera. The front field of view is 139 degrees, while the rear is 116 degrees to capture what's happening at the back. Meanwhile, the interior camera boasts a 180-degree field of view. It's also equipped with infrared illumination LEDs, enabling to capture clear images even in complete darkness. It's also equipped with a new Sigma Star CPU and ISP tuning software responsible for the improvements in white balance, dynamic range, and contrast in daytime video. And as far as bitrate choices go, you got 4 to choose from. You got highest extreme, highest, high, and normal. While the front cam is able to capture in clear Full HD, the front camera, in our opinion, can also benefit from an accessory that can prevent rain droplets, dust, and other environmental elements from ruining your footage. and that's why we highly recommend you to get the BlackboxMyCar Aqua Shield. Moreover, like the 750X 2-channel Plus, the box only supports the H.264 codec. Unlike other dash cams that are usually visibly mounted on the windshield with adhesive or suction cup mount, aside from having a small camera, the box can be hidden inside the glove compartment or under the seat. Now, if you want to make the most out of your security, we always recommend hardwiring or using a dash cam battery pack like a BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8. Hardwiring is going to require a bit more effort in installing compared to a 12-volt car charger install. But this is going to bring out a full range of new features, including advanced parking mode. Now, aside from keeping your video recordings safely stored inside the box unit itself, you're also going to have additional protection with their advanced parking mode features, which is going to keep an eye on your car 24/7. When someone walks by any of the front, rear, or interior cameras that you have set around your car at your preference, you can be confident that the camera will record that motion footage, as well as any impacts or forcible entrances attempted. The box comes with a built-in voltage monitor to protect your vehicle battery, and a voltage cutoff timer can be set in the app itself. In terms of operating temperature, ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, so whether you're living in a warm or cold region, it's built to conquer the weather. In our decade-strong dashcam expertise, we gotta say, BlackVue definitely offers the best cloud service, and the box features it so well. So the box itself also supports seamless pairing, so pretty much what that means is one tap from the BlackVue app on your phone and you're instantly connected to the dashcam. What this does is this unit is constantly giving off a Wi-Fi signal to connect to it when it's in range. You can also connect it to the BlackVue CM100G LTE module. Let's talk about remote live view. What this feature does is it allows you to check on your car literally from anywhere, as long as you have data. Any time of the day, as long as your camera is connected to the cloud, you can also review videos stored on your devices through the video playback feature. So the moment an impact is detected, your dashcam automatically sends a notification to your phone or your web browser, accompanied by a snapshot for reference. You can also enjoy the exclusive event map feature plus two-way voice communications. If you guys weren't aware, BlackVue completely redesigned their app from the ground up. So using it, what you can do now is see in real time where your vehicle is located and get detailed tracking of the route. So that's it, guys. That is your in-depth review of the all-new BlackVue DR770X box. In our opinion, amongst all the dash cams we've ever tested, this is the one that's particularly built for intensified car safety. The box, definitely a great addition to the BlackVue lineup, and we're excited to see the unique wiring setups that the community and our installers come up with. The fact that this camera comes with so many layers of added protection between its tamper-proof solutions, hidden main unit, and keeping that top-of-the-line cloud connection makes this such a unique camera. You can learn more about the box on our website, but if you have any questions, you can always find us on live chat, give us a call, shoot us an email, drop your question in the comments below. We've included the product links below so you can always check them out on the BlackboxMyCar website. You're gonna find the BlackVue DR770X box and all the other BlackVue dashcams and accessories mentioned in this video there. If you're ready to check out, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube to take 5% off. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for watching.